It was almost midnight when I noticed water spreading across my bathroom floor. I thought maybe I'd imagined it at first. And then I saw it was coming from the hallway, the bedroom, the closet. My heart just dropped. I called RestoPros of Boise and Treasure Valley, and they were at my door fast. I don't know what I expected, but they just immediately knew what to do. They were pulling water out of places in my house I didn't even know could hold water. My walls, my floors, the damage went further than I ever could have seen on my own. The whole time they kept me informed, they moved my things carefully, they treated my home like it was their own. And now, seeing the finished bathroom, the tile, the soaking tub, all of it, it looks better than it ever did before. I'm so grateful I made that call.